Sometimes with the grooves you're going to have to use a brush to get in the grooves. Now we'll get that foot pad all cleaned up. And now we're going to proceed to shampoo the carpet. What we're going to do is we use an extractor, which has hot and cold water. So we're going to wet the floor first, and then we're going to put our chemical on, brush it all in, extract it up, and get that dirt out of that floor.